This is exactly how you should never start a cold call in real estate. Hey, John, this is Alexis with XYZ Company. I was giving you a call about your...
Agents that are salespeople aren't meeting people's needs. They're meeting their own needs, and I'm not for that at all. The only reason that we exist is to help people through a challenge, and that's either the challenge of selling their home, or maybe there's a financial challenge that they need some guidance. The video actually was training agents to quit acting like salespeople and start acting like consultants.